Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is all about victory and success. It's triumphant. Yeah, it looks fancy, but don't worry, it's easier to say than you might think. So, how do you say it? Correct pronunciation is try-UM-fant. Let's break it down step by step. First, try, like when you try something new. Next, just like when you're thinking and go, And finally, fant, which rhymes with front. Now say it with me, try-UM-fant. One more time, triumphant. Perfect, you nailed it. So, what does triumphant mean? It describes that amazing feeling of victory or success, like when you win a race, finish a big project, or finally conquer a tough challenge. It's all about achieving something and feeling proud of it. Did you know? The word triumphant comes from the Latin word triumphus, which referred to a celebration for victorious Roman generals. So, it's been linked to winning and success for centuries. Now the spelling tip, it's spelled Triumphant. It has triumph right there in it, so just think of winning, and you'll remember how to spell it. Now that you've got it, you can say triumphant like a pro, whether you're talking about winning a game, overcoming an obstacle, or just having a great day. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves learning new words. Keep practicing, stay triumphant, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.